I know that many of you love no credit check loan, and that's why today I have one for you. Look at this. No credit check loan program. You can get this loan with no credit check at all. You heard it absolutely right. And one of the things or one of the requirements that I've seen literally shocked me. You have to have direct deposit from your current employer, paying as agreed, have paid as agreed loan balances of at least $5,000 or more within last 24 months with Connect CU. Your current no credit check loan is paid in full, if you have any. Well, these are some very prominent requirements right here, and I don't see anything else. And remember, you can get up to $1,200. You heard it absolutely right, $1,200. I'm going to give you the step-by-step explanation and the detail. What about this loan, what you need to do, and how it's going to benefit you. There are some things that you need to know about this, because in my point of view, if you're going to apply for this one, then there are some very specific requirements that you have to be very specific. So make sure you stay with me till the end of this video to know each and everything about this massive opportunity. And remember, I'm also going to upload a very important video which will allow you to get a $15,000 worth of credit line with no credit check at all, and you can get it even with bad or worse credit. So in order to watch that video, and if you need that credit line, then make sure you click on the subscribe button and click on the bell icon so you can get the notification of that video when we upload it. And don't forget to smash the like button on this video, as it helps this video and the channel as well. So let's not wait and start the video. No credit check loan program. Well, before I even move forward, let me just tell you, I'm not a financial advisor, so you need to do your own research before you apply for any of the credit products that I review right here or you see anywhere on any platform. So please keep this in mind, because this is about your future and your financial future. Well, no credit check loan program is from Connect Credit Union. This is a credit union, so keep this in mind. When it comes to the eligibility, Connect Credit Union works hard to provide a solution for all your lending needs. With our no credit check loan program, you can apply to be pre-qualified for a personal loan of up to $1,200. To qualify for a no credit check loan, you must meet the following requirements, and these requirements are super important. Make sure you stay with us till the end. If you still haven't liked the video, means if you haven't smashed the like button, please do it right now, as it helps this video and the channel as well. And here are the details, so make sure you stay with us till the end. Be a member of Connect Credit Union for at least 1 year. Of course, you have to be with them for a year. This is one of the requirements, but this is far better than those payday loans, so keep this in mind. Be employed with your current employer for at least 2 years. All your Connect Credit Union accounts are in good standing, means you don't have to be a defaultee. Then your accounts currently have a positive balance, means you don't have to have an overdraft or something. Your loans are paid current, if you have any, with the, of course, the Connect Credit Union. You have to have an established relationship with Connect Credit Union that includes at least one of the following: payroll deduction of at least $65 to your Connect Credit Union account, direct deposit from your current employer to Connect Credit Union, paying as agreed, to have paid as agreed on loan balances of at least $5,000 or more within last 24 months with Connect Credit Union. Your current no credit check loan is paid in full, if you have any. This is important, and pretty much these are all the requirements that you have to have. I know that one thing that bothers me and probably is bothering you, that you have to be with Connect Credit Union for at least 1 year. I haven't found anything or any way around, but you need to understand that this is a relationship based loan. So of course it's far better than the payday loan. And of course, if you have to have an account, you can have an account with them. By the way, I'm not getting paid for this review or anything, so please keep this in mind. This is a straightforward review. But you also need to understand that this is something that you need to keep an eye on, because if you are going for a payday loan, let's say from a year from now, or if you don't need one, but maybe in future you need one, you have to have an option, and this is an option. You can actually be a member of Connect Credit Union, be with them for a year, And of course, if you ever need anything, then of course you can borrow up to $1,200, as you can see right here. Again, I'm not a financial advisor. You need to do your own due diligence and your research before you apply for any of the credit product that you see anywhere. And they say if you feel that you meet the above requirements and have the $40 non-refundable application fee available in your account, you may apply for a no credit check loan. So they charge $40. Well, I reviewed many other programs or loan programs, no credit check programs on my channel. They have $20 fee. A couple of them has no fee at all. Right here they charge $40 fee. Of course, you have to be a member of Connect Credit Union in order to apply for it, so please keep this in mind. And they have a fraud alert as well. Connect Credit Union will never call, text, or email asking for your account number, card details including expiration or CVV, password, PIN, social security number, date of birth, or social security code. Means a security code, by the way. If you receive a request for this information, do not share your information. So I believe this is my responsibility to share this with you. If you are already a member, then you're good with it. You know, you can just go and apply if you've been with them and you actually fulfill all of these requirements that I mentioned right here. But if you believe that you're not, if you're not a Connect Credit Union member, then you can be one. And then of course you can be with them for a year. You have to be employed for at least 2 years with the same employer. And then of course your accounts have to be in good standing. So it's a relationship based loan. That's why they call it no credit check loan. In other terms, you call it relationship based loan program. I think this is the best way to describe it, so please keep this in mind. But that $40 fee is something that bothers me right here. The no credit check loan is progressive loan program that allows members to borrow higher loan amounts, establish credit history through short-term loans. Of course, oh wow, they report to credit bureaus. The initial loan amount is $800, of course starts with $800 and progresses to higher loans such as $1,000 or $1,200. Once a no credit check loan is paid in full, a member may apply for another no credit check loan. This is great. A member may only have one no credit check loan at a time, by the way. Members must make at least 5 months of payment is agreed in order to qualify for a higher loan amount. And loan amounts are granted in progression, means 800, 1000 and 1200. Means at first you're gonna get like 800, then second time if you pay the first one in full, then you're gonna get 1000, and then the third one is going to be 1200. So I believe this is what they actually mean. I'm also going to upload a very important video which will allow you to get that $15,000 mark. So if you want to watch that video, all you need to do is to click on the subscribe button and click on the bell icon so you can get the notification of that video when we upload it. And don't forget to smash the like button on this video, as it helps this video and the channel as well. Again, if you have any questions at all, the comment section is open for you. This is a pretty straightforward video and a straightforward channel for you. I don't like to be in the gibberish that, you know, like you need to do that, you need to do this. Right here, as you can see, that I review the financial credit products, and it's totally up to you whether you apply for it or no. But you also need to understand that I'm not getting paid by any of these companies. So this is a perk of being a subscriber of Credit Oaks, because all of these reviews are genuine and straightforward. So keep this in mind. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video very soon. Till then, please take care and have a nice day.